Hi, my name is Savannah, and I'm going to be singing Cheeriest Moment for Life. Hope you enjoy. I'm overjoyed the whole way, but then I missing you. I say something that I was with, that I meant it to you. Baby, I feel real when you touch my body and your heart beats. I feel that to me, and I hate it. My life without you. But baby, the power to you, and I could make time to say that I always is this moment forever and stay right here. When I had to go to the I will be kissing you. I will be kissing you. Don't know what I would do. What kind of love to you over and over, over. I will let them all I feel it in your and I feel concerned, I can do anything. If I ever turn my heart, oh baby, I can't breathe when you touch my body, when your heart is music to me, and I can't say my life without you, and baby, without you don't have to, oh, baby, hold me forever. It's right here. You don't have to, oh, baby, hold me forever. I will have missing you. I will be kissing you. No know what I would do. But coming after you over and over, over. I will die. Could never fall inside. It's there. You don't have to go even closer. You don't know what I would do. I'll come back to you over and over, over. I say, 'cause every song I inside. Hope you enjoy. Bye.